Hey, are you have website and have very sad that there is no traffic on your website? Today I will describe how to boost your traffic. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me, watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is linkable material, and how does it work? Unlike shareable content, linkable content is something that people can post on their own website and link back to. Infographics, resource guides, papers with extensive analysis, presentations, and tutorials are all examples of linkable content. If you're interested, and visit the site link in the description box. If you are first time here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Is Linkable a genuine company? Last but not least, overall, Linkable is a fantastic resource for content marketers. It's a very effective and efficient method of assisting content marketers in obtaining appropriate and diverse backlinks. What is the definition of a linkable asset? Any piece of content with a high chance of gaining backlinks is referred to as a linkable asset. To begin earning links to your material, you must first ensure that it provides real value to readers. This is how it works. 1. Submit a project. Join Linkable and start working on a project. Tell us about your website, your SEO, PR objectives, and how you'd like to be referenced by writers. Consider it a work posting for connection building. 2. Make contact with writers. We'll pair your project with top industry writers who can do strategic outreach and guest blogging to help you create the links you need. 3. Hire authors. Simply recruit the writers you want to work with when you're ready. We guarantee that writers will deliver on their promises, otherwise your money will be refunded. It's absolutely risk-free. Linkable features. 1. Submit a project. Join Linkable and start working on a project. Tell us about your website, your SEO, PR objectives, and how you'd like to be referenced by writers. Consider it a work posting for connection building. Make contact with writers. Collaborate with existing writers to gain access to exclusive opportunities to be included in high-profile publications and industry blogs. 2. Establish authority in your field. Get listed by expert writers who can write entertaining content that is genuine, informative, and authoritative to become a pioneer in your industry. Being mentioned in engaging articles can drive direct referral traffic to your website, allowing you to reach new audiences. 4. Increase your public relations and brand awareness. Collaborate with authors to gain publicity in their writing, which will increase brand recognition and generate strategic press for your company. 5. Improve the search engine optimization. Work with authors who can reach out to high domain authority websites in your niche and create high-quality, contextual backlinks. 6. Economize on outreach time. Save countless hours on time-consuming backlink outreach. Simply post a project on Linkable and our writers will take care of the rest. I hope you all really like this information. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Make sure to smash the bell icon. Don't forget to share the video. Good luck.